Hi guys, welcome back to HHG Studios. You're probably wondering about the voice, right? No worries. This is Latoya and I'll be fitting in for Faye for this video. So, come with me as we explore remedies from your kitchen. We have often heard it said to let your medicine be your food and your food your medicine, or the herb is for the healing of the nation. Before there were pharmacies, convenience stores, supermarkets, our foreparents always used what was available to them in their environment for their minor ailments, whether they were plants or herbs. I remember when I used to visit my grandmother in the country, and whenever I had a tummy ache, she would always give me serasi tea, as we would call it here in Jamaica. And after drinking this, my tummy ache would stop. It was bitter, but good. We have a saying here in Jamaica, what bitter for your mouth, good for your belly. In modern times, you may not always have a pharmaceutical at hand in the dead of the night for a particular minor illness or have immediate access to a store. So instead of suffering, you can see what you have on hand to ease your complaint until you get to your doctor or pharmacy. One such place you can find remedies for an array of ailments is in your kitchen. Some of these remedies may have passed down through generations, while some traditional remedies now have a proven scientific basis for how and why they work. Let's look at some of them here. Bearing in mind that if you have a medical condition or on medications, or if you have allergies to certain compounds, please speak with your healthcare professional. With that said, what's ailing you? Come, let's go to the kitchen and see what we can find. Let's start with thyme. Thyme is a member of the mint family and used in many kitchens as a seasoning and flavoring agent. Its leaves, flowers, and oil are all used medicinally. The active components in thyme have cough suppressant and expectorant properties, and even calm muscle spasms. It has antiseptic and antifungal properties. It is used for cough and colds, to aid digestion, for upset stomach, and for flatulence. As an antiseptic, it is used for urinary infections, to disinfect minor scratches and injuries, and as a gargle for sore throat, tonsillitis, and laryngitis. Thyme is also used as an appetite stimulant, as a diuretic, and it is even applied to the scalp to prevent hair loss. To make an infusion, pour 1 cup of boiling water over 2 teaspoons of dried thyme and let it sit for 10 minutes. The preparation may be used both internally and externally. A word of caution: do not take thyme medicinally during pregnancy or if you have a heart condition. Also, you should avoid thyme if you are hypersensitive to plants or have a history of intestinal problems. Thyme may also slow blood clotting. Allspice, also called pimento, is used as a seasoning and condiment. The dried unripe berries and allspice oil are used medicinally. Here in Jamaica, it's a very special condiment. We use it in our rice and peas, we use it in porridges, and not to mention it's the main ingredient that gives our jerk that special flavor. Some studies have shown that allspice has antibacterial and antifungal activities and also acts as an analgesic. Applied externally, it is said to be useful to treat painful joints and muscles, sunburn, bruises, and toothache. Look at that. For sunburn, allow 1 or 2 teaspoons of allspice to sit in 1 cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain before applying to soothe the pain. For muscle aches, allspice powder may be mixed into a paste with water and applied topically. And for toothache, 1 to 2 drops of the oil may be applied with a cotton swab on the painful area. Aside from making a tasty bedtime tea, chamomile has useful medicinal values that have also been utilized pharmaceutically. Studies have revealed chamomile to have anti-inflammatory, sedative, and diuretic properties. It also shows antifungal and antibacterial activities. Chamomile tea is popularly used for reducing menstrual pain, treating diabetes and lowering blood sugar, reducing inflammation, helping with sleep and relaxation, treating cold symptoms, and treatment for mild skin conditions. Steep 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to make a tea. Some people may have chamomile tea bags for convenience in their kitchens. For external use, apply as a compress a cold infusion of chamomile to the affected areas, or it may be used in a bath. Do not take chamomile if you are pregnant, as it may cause uterine contractions. This pepper is used as a spicy seasoning agent in many kitchens. Many of us have used cayenne pepper to add a little spice to our meals. But did you know that this pungent fruit has medicinal uses and is utilized in some pharmaceutical topical preparations for pain? Cayenne pepper may be added to food in either its natural form or powdered form. Some people use it as a capsule in order to take advantage of its detoxifying properties. Cayenne pepper has numerous effective benefits. It is used to help with digestion. It helps to stop diarrhea and is also a natural remedy for cramps. It is also beneficial for conditions of the heart and blood vessels, including to improve poor circulation, reverse excessive blood clotting, lower high cholesterol, and prevent heart disease. Some other benefits include fights cold and flu, prevents allergies, treats psoriasis, relieves migraine pain, relieves joint and nerve pain, supports weight loss, boosts metabolism, and many more. Here are some remedies from the kitchen for symptoms of the common cold. For cough and cold, make some garlic tea. Use 2 or 3 cloves of freshly crushed garlic to 2 cups of hot water. Remove the garlic and let the tea cool. Add some honey and a squeeze of lemon or lime juice. Hot chicken soup made with spices such as garlic, onion, cayenne, and added vegetables seems to do wonders for the relief of colds, thinning the mucus and boosting the immune system. For sore throat, gargle with a solution of 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water to help to get rid of mucus collected in the throat. You can also sip a mixture of honey and lemon juice throughout the day, or make a cup of hot beverage with honey and lime or lemon. For stuffy nose, add a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil or chopped ginger to a basin of steaming water. Make a tent over your head with a towel, close your eyes, and inhale the vapors to relieve the congestion. So, whether you're fighting symptoms of the common cold and need a remedy for sore throat, cough, and stuffy nose, or you're having other complaints such as pain, sore muscles, headaches, indigestion, gas, insomnia, and others, your kitchen may have the artillery to provide the relief you need in the moment. However, do not neglect your prescribed medicines for home remedies. Be careful of combining pharmaceuticals with herbs, and always consult your healthcare professional about health concerns and ongoing health problems. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.